All right, gentlemen, we've been over the rules. Protect yourself at all times. Follow my instructions. We're gonna keep this clean. Touch gloves now if you wish to. All right, let's do this. Fight.
Sit low, sit low. Range, range. Range. Range.
Let him come.
Don't chase. Pull. Nice. Keep the angle. Breathe, relax.
Vai tu sola, não zabigaj na ganho.
Keep the angle.
Hit the ankle. Okay, play guard. Play guard. Bend the legs. Bend the legs. Hey, 30 секунд. Khabib, 30 секунд. 30 секунд. 30 секунд. Молодец. Молодец.
20 seconds. 20 seconds.
Stop.
Conor, you know the shots get slower as the rounds go on. That was his absolute best there.
Deep breaths, relax.
No stand up. Everything for the takedown. Everything you're doing. I don't care what anybody says. I need you to stay on track. Do not stay in front of him. Listen to me. Do not stay in front of him. Keep doing Cain Velasquez style. You understand me?
Back, behind the block. Behind the block. Behind the block. Behind the block. Fight.
Level, level. Sting, sting, sting. Range. Range. Level. Level.
Руку подними.
Давай, пройди, сделай свое дело. Relax, relax.
Go to the takedown. Go to the takedown. Takedown. Takedown.
Off the center.
Садись.
Back on the cage.
Локти. Забирай спину. Дышать надо, Хабиб, дышать. Дыши. Let's talk now. Let's talk.
make a point if you knee him in the head. Keep your toes out of the fence. Toes out of the fence.
What a stand-up, brilliant. Okay, it's those low singles coming from halfway across the cage now. You can spend the first minute just getting your recovery. So push him back with your jab.
Exit. There you go. One. Nice. Up. Body. Body. Yes. Target. Relax. Body. 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 Targets. Targets.
Cain Velasquez style! Cain! Cain!
Pull out, pull. It's coming, pull. There you go. Relax. Yes.
Keep breathing, breathing, breathing. He's using his energy. Just breathe, Conor.
Work.
Hey!
Hey, watch that. That's the back of the head. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Keep fighting. Stop. Stop. Hey, stop. Stop.
Hey,
Stop. Stop.
let's go.
Listen, can you punch hard and go for the takedown? This is the fourth round. Drink some water. Drink some water. Here.
No,
Drink some
too
water.
much, too much.
Okay. Here.
That one was. The other ones weren't. The other ones were here. Conor, that was to the back of the head. Stay inside the rules. Don't get me in here.
Эй, Khabib! Эй, позицию не теряй! Не теряй позицию! Одна рука снизу! Не теряй позицию! shorts.
He's grabbing his shorts. He didn't watch the shorts.
Falta 30 segundos! 30 segundos! Tá perfeita a distância, Patão!
Tranquilo.
Respira! Coś pochodnie? Ja?
Ja, teď jo.
Teď chceš pohodě, sklidni se. Ten vstup se musíš nacházet.
Jack, we gotta get up! Up, Jack, come on!
That's it! One step at a time, get up!
Jack, we gotta get up! We got two!
Keep going up, watch your back! Pull your back to the cage, you get up!
Sorry about the light. Just let me know when it happens. You got a boss. I'll cook the inside too. They're probably going to show him later, so I'm just going to shoot you. No, don't. Oh, it's a later thing? I think they're going to do you later. They haven't told me about you.